Hello, and welcome to Peaceful Rocks. I'm Diana. You've joined me today for my May 2019 Plan With Me video. I'm going to show you the process that I went through to make each page in my May spread. If you'd like to see how I did the May cover page, there's a separate video for that on my channel. This page is my May events page. I'm just making a regular calendar with 6x6 boxes, and on the side I'm going to paint a birdhouse that's hanging on some branches. At the bottom on the right-hand side, I wrote a quote from the Bible that says, "Lord, you have been our dwelling place in all generations." And that's from Psalm chapter 90, verse 1. For most of the watercolor on my events page, I used the Prima Marketing watercolors, and it's the classic color set. And then at the very end, I'm going to add some metallic accents, which is, I forget the brand, but it basically makes your watercolor kind of shimmer and shine, almost like you put glitter on it. This page is my habit tracker. I'm keeping track of whether I do these things on a daily basis. They are take a vitamin, keep in touch with my family, keep in touch with friends, read a book for 15 minutes, drink 64 ounces of water, sleep for 8 hours, read the Bible or do a Bible study, keep up on my Instagram, keep up on my Pinterest account, go to my Amino account, do 10,000 steps a day, and exercise for 30 minutes. And then below each one, I have the 31 days. And for each day that I do that habit, I'm probably going to make some kind of mark or color over that number. This is my one line a day page, and it's the easiest page to prep because you don't really write anything except the title at the top that says one line a day, and then you make your numbers for each day along the left-hand side. And then I just put some washi tape at the bottom and voila, all done. This is my mood tracker page. In the last few months, I've really had a lot of fun being creative, making my mood tracker. So for this month, this was actually my husband's idea, and he said to do a birdhouse, and then for the shingles, you can make the shingles represent your moods. So for each of the shingles, I'm going to be coloring a different color depending on the mood, and I'll have a key down at the bottom when I'm done here. My goal was to have a birdhouse that had kind of a weathered look to it, with a little robin sitting outside, looking in. So I used my water-soluble oil pastels for this. So I just ran the pastel over each line, and then I took a paintbrush, a wet paintbrush with just water on it, and I ran it over, and it just spread all over the rest of each board of the birdhouse, and it came out with a look that I really like. The last page for my May spread is a weight loss tracker and a fitness tracker. So I basically split the page almost in half. The weight loss tracker has a little bit less than one half. And so for the weight loss tracker up at the top, I have a square for every couple of days. And that's when I'm going to be checking my weight. And I was going to do a different color on every other one, but right at the end, I put two pinks together. In which case, because of that mistake, I went ahead and colored every one of them pink, and it turned out fine. You just kind of have to roll with the mistakes that you make. Down at the bottom is the fitness tracker, and I use an app on my phone called Fitness Pal, and that keeps track of the calories that I burn each day. Also the calories that the food has, so it's all kind of calculated together. And then it also keeps track of the exercise that I do each day. And so that the more exercise that I do, the more steps that I take on my smartwatch, that gets calculated into calories that are allowed each day. Here's one last look at my May 2019 spread. I have my cover page, my May events page, my habit tracker, my one line a day page, my mood tracker, and then the page that's split between a weight loss tracker and a fitness tracker. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you care and that you enjoyed watching. I pray that everybody has a wonderful May of 2019. Take care. Bye-bye.